Oh, this is so bad. I'm gonna eat all of these. Hey everyone, my name is Lauren and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies because I was really craving something with cinnamon and sugar, but I also felt obligated to make a fall recipe, so we're using pumpkin. Also, when I made my Greek yogurt pumpkin muffins, you open a whole can of pumpkin puree and then you gotta use it all up. So maybe we'll just make pumpkin recipes for the rest of October, November. This is the end of October, yikes. So let's go over our ingredients. We have 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. There's a lot going on in here. 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cream of tartar is the special ingredient in a snickerdoodle that gives it a kind of tangy flavor. So if you omit the cream of tartar, if you don't have it, it's not the end of the world, but I guess it's not technically a snickerdoodle. Moving on, we have half a cup of butter, unsalted, softened, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar packed. Mine's actually not packed because I started weighing my ingredients because I'm really cool like that. 1 egg at room temperature, 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling, pumpkin puree, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's start by whisking our dry ingredients together, our flour, and our spices, and our baking soda, and our cream of tartar. Ooh, that cinnamon and pumpkin pie spice smells so good. In my bigger mixing bowl, we are going to beat together our butter. I softened it in the microwave because I didn't prepare early for this, so we'll see if it's soft enough. It didn't sound very soft. And our granulated sugar and our brown sugar. Yeah, this is not super softened, but that's okay. Yes. Here we go, nice and creamy. Now let's add our egg. Then we are going to add our pumpkin puree and our vanilla extract. Now, add your dry ingredients. Oops, ignore that little plop of butter stuff. All right, scrape the sides of your bowl and make sure everything is well incorporated. Now you can see how nice and soft and fluffy this dough is right now. But we want it to be able to hold its shape, so this is going to go into the refrigerator for about an hour. All right, our cookie dough is sufficiently chilled. I have the oven preheating to 350 degrees, and we are going to finish rolling our cookie dough balls. I have my big cookie scoop, and I have 1/4 cup of granulated sugar with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix it up, toss it around. You just scoop 1 cookie, pop it right in my little bowl. Toss it around, make sure it is evenly coated, and then transfer it over to my baking sheet, which is already lined with a silicone baking mat, or you can use parchment paper. Now, these are going to bake at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes or until the tops are just set. I like these to be just barely done because I want them to be nice and soft on the inside. I just love cookies that are hot and fresh from the oven. They smell so good and they're so warm. Those spices, they're just so soft, like little pillows of cookie joy. Oh, there's a dog hair on here. Oh, they smell so good. They are so light and fluffy on the inside, almost cake-like. And they have just a little bit of pumpkin and then that nice crispiness of the cinnamon sugar around the edge. Oh my gosh, these are perfect. I love them. Thank you so much for watching this week. We made these wonderful, soft, fluffy pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And go check out those links below. There's a link to the written recipe as well as other fun stuff like my social media and my Patreon page. And have a great weekend, and I will see you next week for maybe more pumpkin things. Bye.